Hello everyone. So in the last video I started reviewing data scientist with Python track courses. If you can see here that I have a notification here that to click track update available. Now when I started this path or this track I had 24 courses and they updated it again. Now it's 22 courses and now I can see that they're updated the track again, which means they keep updating the track. They keep adding courses and they keep improving the courses as well. As I explained the last video that this course was explained by someone called Philip, and now if you check it's explained by someone Jeffrey Hugo. I just click on it and let me show it to you. Hugo von Anderson. So I explained this video, this course, Introduction to Python and Intermediate to Python. After that, you should take this project. And today I'm going to explain this course, Data Manipulation with Pandas and Merging DataFrames with Pandas. Now, before I go to these courses, let's just see how this project look like. So it's about TV halftime shows and big game. You have a description here and no data sets. Okay, these are the tasks. Let's just start this. Now basically it's going to be we have Jupyter notebook on the right side and some instructions on the left side, and you have to just do whatever they tell you to do. You can always download this notebook and open it with your Anaconda. Good, nice. After you write everything, you can just click on check project and it will check for you, and then you go to the next task. If you can see that it's this project thingy is still in beta version. Now just go back to these courses. I explained the first two, Introduction to Python and Intermediate to Python. Now I'll be explaining the other two, Data Manipulation with Pandas and Merging DataFrames with Pandas. So basically we'll be discussing courses regarding the Pandas library, which let you manage the data. This is the Data Manipulation with Pandas. As usual, you have 4 hours, 15 videos. Let's just click and see the syllabus of this course. So what is a data frame? Inspecting data frame, sorting data frame. These are the fundamentals of Pandas. Every data scientist and analyst should know these things. And summary statistics, mean, median, nice. And we have slicing and indexing. And at the end, we have creating and visualization data frames. Here you'll be using matplotlib, the library for visualization. Visualize your data. Let's just click on this video and check.
Plots are a powerful way to share the insights you've gained from your data.
You can also download the video. You can see it in the fast mode. Now they added the caption. You can, let's just put French.
In this lesson, we'll use a bigger dataset of dogs, called DogPack, to make visualization easier. Remember when we talked about matplotlib at the beginning of the course? We'll need to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT in order to we can adjust the number of bars or bins.
The best thing is that the explanations are very straightforward and very easy to understand. They explain everything in details. See the code and the visualization immediately. You click on got it and then you just apply everything they explained. You can see the slides here, the one which was used in the video here. This is the same slides that we've seen. And so basically this course is like introduction to pandas. I can call it introduction to pandas. The other course is merging data frames with pandas, kind of like this it's sequel to the previous one. Now this course is available in these tracks: data scientist, data analyst, data manipulation, data science for everyone. This is a theoretical track, as I remember. There are a lot of yeah, this is a theoretical course. Yeah, see, data science for everyone is a theoretical course. It's an amazing course, by the way. There are no exercises, but it's a theoretical course. Okay, let's just go back. Merging data frame. Let's just go and see the content of this course. Reading multiple data frames in a loop. So basically I can call this course as Introduction to Pandas Part 2, or an advanced course in pandas. And then you're going to have a case study to apply everything you learn in this course regarding the other project that they have. Let's just click on this video and see.
Welcome to Merging Data Frames with Pandas. My name is David Arolayo. I'm an applied mathematician and data scientist. This course is all about merging and combining data frames for your data science needs. Your data really exists as data frames from the outset. You generally have to deal with text files, spreadsheets, and databases. Let's first check out how to read multiple files into a collection of data frames. The primary tool we've used for data import is readCSV. This function accepts the file path, similar default calling syntax that import various file names. Within each iteration, sales,
so I would highly recommend you guys watch the previous course, which is data manipulation and with pandas, and then you watch this course. So let's go back to the track. So data manipulation with pandas. After you take this course, it will be better to check this project, and after that you take the merging data frames, which has already a case study at the end here, and after you finish that, you're gonna end up doing this project, and then you'll have introduction to data visualization with matplotlib. So basically these two courses explain the pandas library, and the previous courses, which was intermediate to Python, they explain NumPy, if I remember. Matplotlib, okay, pandas and loops. I think it was the previous one, introduction to Python. Yeah, this one. Python list function, yeah, NumPy, see? So they started NumPy, which is a library for mathematical computation, and then they give you two courses for pandas. They explain everything in details. It's straightforward with a lot of projects, practical projects, and then you'll have matplotlib, which is they already explained it in the first course, but like a quick introduction. Here it will be a dedicated course for matplotlib, and then they're going to use Seaborn, which is another visualization library, much better than the matplotlib, but it is actually built on matplotlib. So I will review the other courses in the next video. So if you want to join DataCamp, I think they're having a sale right now. Let me just show it to you. So here you can see that they're having a sale right now, 75%, 5 days left for this sale. And instead of paying $399 per year, you can pay $99 per year for their entire course. You can join this by clicking on the link in the description below. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.